Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Bubbies Mochi is probably one of the most delightful and surprisingly sophisticated frozen treats you can find, perfectly blending the chewy, soft texture of traditional Japanese mochi with a rich, creamy ice cream filling, creating an irresistible bite-sized dessert that offers a unique sensory experience, making it a must-try for anyone looking to elevate their dessert game beyond the ordinary. Number 5. Nutty Toy Squishy Cat Set. Discover our adorable squishy cat set, crafted from the highest quality silicone. These durable toys are designed to withstand all your squeezing and fidgeting. Say goodbye to boredom and anxiety. These cute kittens help you stay focused and relaxed, offering a moment of calm in your busy day. These two baby kittens are incredibly fun to play with. Their silly charm brings joy to kids and adults alike, making them perfect companions. Looking for a unique present? They make amazing Christmas stocking stuffers, Easter basket fillers, or a delightful surprise for any occasion. Ideal for those with ADD, ADHD, or autism, their soft touch helps you calm down and regain focus. Just a gentle pinch can make a difference. Take these tiny friends everywhere you go. They fit perfectly in your pocket, ready to provide comfort at the office, school, or on a quick trip. Made with superior silicone, they are designed for endless squeezing, pinching, and stretching. Get yours today and enjoy lasting fun. What we like? These are built with superior quality silicone, designed for durability and endless fun. If you're looking for a unique stress relief toy that can withstand a lot of squeezing, this set is perfect. Its cute design also makes it an amazing gift for all ages, helping anyone focus and relax. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to extract helpful points as the source was empty. Number 4. Japanese Mochi Fruits Daifuku. Indulge in the delightful taste of traditional Japanese mochi. These soft, chewy rice cakes offer a unique culinary experience. Each piece is a perfect blend of delicate mochi and luscious fruit flavors. They are a true treat for your palate. You can choose from a wonderful selection of tastes. There's a perfect option for every preference. Savor the sweet burst of strawberry or the refreshing essence of melon. These are just two of the fantastic choices available. Explore the earthy notes of green tea or the vibrant tang of orange. Each flavor promises a delightful surprise. Whether for a special occasion or a delightful everyday snack, they are sure to bring joy. Enjoy them yourself or share with friends. What we like? These offer a delightful taste of authentic Japanese mochi with a variety of fruit flavors. If you enjoy traditional Asian desserts and crave a sweet, chewy treat, these are an excellent choice. They provide a unique and flavorful snacking experience for those who appreciate diverse culinary delights. What people say. Number 3. Global Grub Original DIY Mochi Ice Cream Kit. Ever dreamed of making delicious mochi ice cream at home? This kit makes it incredibly easy. You can now enjoy this delightful treat whenever you like. It comes with everything you need to get started. Sweet rice flour, potato starch, matcha, and cocoa powder are all pre-measured for your convenience. No need to buy extra gadgets. This kit even includes an ice cream mochi maker and a dough cutter. They ensure perfect shapes every time. Don't worry if you're new to mochi making. Clear, easy-to-follow cooking instructions are provided. You'll be a mochi master in no time. With this kit, you can make up to 32 pieces of mochi ice cream. That's plenty to share with friends and family, or to keep all to yourself. What we like? This kit provides everything you need to create your own delicious mochi ice cream at home. If you love hands-on cooking and want to impress friends with homemade treats, this is ideal. It's perfect for a fun activity, allowing you to customize flavors and make a generous batch of 32 pieces. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source content. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as requested. Number 2. Thank you very mochi. Indulge in a world of exquisite flavors. These delightful treats offer a unique blend of tradition and innovation. Experience the perfect chewiness and incredibly soft texture with every bite. They melt in your mouth, leaving a lasting impression. Discover a wide array of delicious flavors, from classic to exotic. Each one is crafted to perfection, ensuring a memorable taste journey. Perfect for any occasion, these treats are ideal for sharing with loved ones. Make every moment sweeter and more special. Say thank you in the most delicious way possible. Find your favorite today and savor the moment. What we like. This item offers a clever and heartwarming pun, perfect for expressing gratitude. If you're looking for a unique way to say thank you with a touch of humor, this is a charming choice. It's ideal for those who appreciate witty wordplay and want to give a memorable, light-hearted gift. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points about Bubbies Mochi could be extracted. Number 1. I love you very Mochi dessert lover t-shirt. Looking for a unique way to show your affection? This charming apparel offers a delightful play on words, perfect for expressing love with a touch of humor. It features a clever food pun that's sure to bring a smile. The I love you very Mochi design is both cute and memorable. If you or someone you know adores desserts, especially mochi, this item is an ideal choice. It celebrates that sweet passion in a fun, wearable way. Searching for a thoughtful present? This tea makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, anniversaries, or just to show someone you care. Crafted for comfort, it's soft and easy to wear all day long. Its simple yet eye-catching design ensures you'll look great while spreading joy. What we like. This t-shirt features a delightful food pun, making it a fun and expressive piece of apparel. If you or someone you know is a dessert lover with a sense of humor, this is a fantastic gift. It's perfect for casual wear, allowing you to showcase your love for mochi in a playful way. What people say. No reviews found in the source content to extract points from. The provided source JSON was empty, so no product features or facts could be quoted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.